Hi guys, welcome to Byte and Beyond. Your host Anish, and in today's video we are going to talk about how we can leverage AI or artificial intelligence for that matter to our advantage as developers. Before we get started, hit that bell button, subscribe and like the video. So first of all, there are very many opportunities AI brings in, like any other technology. Like when computers came in, there are people who lost their jobs. Of course, when engines came in, there are people who lost jobs. And AI, when it comes in, like it has come in, some people may lose their jobs. But still, new jobs get created. And so we need to be positive and we see what can we pick and what can we leave. So for instance, I know of people who have already started building plugins, like image generators. Maybe you can write a statement and you tell AI, for example, to generate for you some images. So you could think of building plugins around like OpenAI or Chat-gpt itself and other AI models, and you could commercialize these plugins, or you could use these plugins in your other applications. So that's one way. So one way we could build plugins that maybe other developers could consume or ourselves consume them, and we use AI. Secondly, you can improve your learning, because the other time it was really difficult. You can imagine if you are starting out learning a new technology, you had to Google around, you had to go to Stack Overflow, you had to download all these things, sometimes even to just do a hello world in that kind of environment. But using this kind of platform, learning has really been simplified. Like if you use Chat-gpt, you can learn something really very fast, and this can get you somewhere in the shortest time possible. This shortens your learning curve. Another way, you could cut out the time we waste on writing code, especially useless code. You can imagine writing like a loop and these others, repetitive code snippets, and you use platforms like Chat-gpt to generate for you templates, to generate for you, basic code base that you could start up with. Like if you want to start up a new project, this can give you a base so that you can use your time to think of the logic. Even the logic part of it will be solved for you. You can use the time to analyze your project, to test out and things like that. So we could cut out the repetitive works you have always done, like during programming. And maybe even if you go back to my previous point of plugins, we could even have plugins that do like unit testing. Of course, already we have things that do that already, but we could have more advanced tools that can help us cut out these repetitive tasks that we don't like doing. Or maybe you have a tool that after you finish like a task, it can go to your project management software like Twero and maybe ticks your tasks that you had to do, like activity. And so there are really opportunities, but also maybe you can look at another one. So there are also, you could use this tool, for example, to build SaaS systems that are more intelligent. Any system, it could even be like a calendar app, but with more intelligence, and this will give you an edge on other products that people have built that are not AI enabled. If you have like a startup and you have an app and it's just a basic app, it would be one way of beating your competition by embedding in AI. Yeah, so how do you even get started? Yeah, we have been writing code in different frameworks and just normal things, and we have always like, AI is not the thing for now. You need to get started now. I think this has been like a wake-up call. And so maybe for starters, you could start familiarizing yourself what this is. There are a ton of videos online that can teach you about AI, can teach you things like artificial neurons, neural networks, reinforced learning. You could learn case-based reasoning. There are very many topics you can get started on. Introduction to AI, and you get these basics, and once you have these basics correct, then you can move on to start playing with things like TensorFlow, OpenAI, and very many other AI plugins or other AI frameworks that are already built. Like TensorFlow is a good one from Google. So you could start out, and of course these frameworks you find they already have already built models, sample models you can play with, or you could even build yours. But you get started and you get familiar with this technology, and then before you know it, you are programming these things into apps, and there's nothing to be scared of. So you guys let me know how you are already using AI in your day-to-day life, or do you think it's something we should ignore, or how should we approach it as devs? So it has been good to hear from you. Comment on our video, like, share, subscribe. Thanks again. Have a good one. See you on Byte and Beyond next time. Bye bye.